In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Google Calendar. This integration is a fantastic way to stay organized and ensure you never miss an important meeting or event. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Google Calendar syncing seamlessly with Slack, making it easier than ever to manage your schedule. Let's get started. First, head over to your Slack application. If you haven't opened it yet, take a moment to do so. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Google on the main interface and give it a click. This is the gateway to connect your Google services with Slack. When you're ready, you'll see a prompt that asks you to click on your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one connected to your Google Calendar. After choosing the correct account, proceed by clicking Continue. This step is crucial as it allows Slack to establish a link with your Google account, enabling calendar integration. Now, after the authorization step, you'll want to use Slack in your browser. This ensures that the integration happens smoothly without any hitches. Go ahead and click on the option to use Slack in your browser. Next, within Slack, look for the More button. It typically resides in the sidebar, giving you access to additional features and settings. Clicking on More will open up a range of options. Navigate to Tools and click on it to proceed. Under Tools, you'll find a section labeled Apps. Click on that, and from there, press the column search for Google Calendar. Clicking on Google Calendar will direct you to its installation page. Once you're on this page, find the button that says Add to Slack and select it. This is how you start the installation process for the Google Calendar app within Slack. After clicking Add to Slack, you'll be directed to a new page where you can confirm your choice by clicking on Install Google Calendar. Follow the prompts and soon you'll see a familiar Google sign-in page. Here you need to select your Google account again. Make sure it's the account you use for your calendar events. Once you've selected your account, click Continue to authorize Slack to access your calendar. You'll be asked to manage permissions. This is a good time to review what the app can access. If everything looks fine, click on Continue once more to finalize the permissions. Lastly, keep an eye out for any final confirmation buttons or continue prompts and click through them. Your Slack and Google Calendar are now linked and you'll receive direct updates and notifications from your Google Calendar right in Slack. Congratulations on a successful integration. Your productivity game just went up a notch. Stay on top of your schedule effortlessly with Slack and Google Calendar working together. Enjoy your new organized workflow.